Hello, this is Charlene. We are going to be converting English expressions to math language. Specifically, we're going to be talking about inequalities. Inequalities are things that are just simply not equal. So instead of having an equal sign, we're going to have one of these signs with the little arrow symbol. So I want to talk just a moment about how I think about these in order to keep them straight. I like to think of them as big mouth is greater. Big mouth is greater. And on this other side, it's like little mouth and little mouth is less than. So we've got big mouth and big mouth is greater. And then I have little mouth and little mouth is less than. That is the way I think about it. It's very simple way to help me remember it. I can't deal with thinking about crocodiles and alligators that other people sometimes try to explain this with. That's just more than I can deal with. So I keep it very simple. Big mouth is greater. Little mouth is less than. So hopefully that helps. It is about thinking about this from left to right. You always consider from left to right, just like we read in English. We read from left to right, so we only have to consider this side of it. On the left-hand side is greater than, and on the left-hand side is little than. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our first expression. It says a maximum number of 25. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and always use like N to stand for number. So, and we ask ourselves, the first thing I usually ask myself is, can my number be bigger than 25 or greater than 25 if the maximum number is 25? The maximum number means that the top number can be 25. So if 25 is the top number, can my number be greater than 25? No, if the top number is 25, then all of my numbers must be less than the 25. Now, if my max number can be 25, it says max number of 25, which means that it actually can be. It can be less than 25, all the way up to 25, and equal to 25. So my number can be less than 25 or it can be equal to 25. So that is the conversion of our English expression into math language. Okay, let's look at our expression over here. It says a number is at least 16. So again, I usually start by asking myself, can my number be greater than 16 if it is at least 16? Okay, so at least 16 means that the least number is 16. So it actually can be greater than 16. Does that make sense? Let's think about this. At least 16 means that it can be more, right? At least 16 means that it can be more than 16. So more than would be greater than. But if it could be at least 16, it could also be equal to 16. So my number can be greater than 16, bigger than 16, or equal to 16. So that is how we would convert the English sentence, a number is at least 16, converts into the mathematical phrase, n is greater than or equal to 16. So hopefully that helps, and we just hope that you will like the video and subscribe to the channel and come back for more examples with your math. Okay, have a good day. Bye-bye.